Hey Gearheads, Corey coming to you from the 2022 Houston Auto Show. I am standing next to the all-electric Nissan Ariya, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick tour of this vehicle and what makes it so important. Hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you are notified every time we post a new video. And if you want to see some behind the scenes stuff before it is here on YouTube, go find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, all at GT Garage Talk. And everything we do, including our award-winning podcast, can be found at gtgaragetalk.com. All right, so here at the 2022 Auto Show with a product specialist from Nissan, this is Priscilla, and we are going to be talking about the new Ariya. First of all, give us just a little bit of detail about what this is specifically, because it's an all-new nameplate.
So the Ariya is a completely new model for Nissan. It is the very first electric SUV on the lineup. A lot of you are familiar with the Leaf. Now we've taken all of that knowledge, experience, and incorporated that into making the Ariya. Now you will notice some very unique styling elements. The inspiration behind the Ariya was timeless Japanese futurism. So as you can see, every single line here is intentional. Everything has a story, starting with the V-Motion front grille. They reimagined that V-Motion, redesigned it with the new Nissan logo. They added some beautiful 3D Kumiko pattern into the grille. So very unique styling elements that you will not see anywhere else.
Okay, and this is, again, a unique platform, not shared with the Leaf, but the Leaf will continue on, and this will be the SUV counterpart to it, correct?
Correct. So this is on its own unique platform. The Leaf will still be sold beside it. So we're just giving you more options with different range and sizes for you to choose from.
Now, most of you are becoming familiar with the fact that electric vehicles have front trunks or frunks. This does not. It has a lot of electrical components under the hood, but there's still plenty of storage space in this being an SUV, correct?
Right, so tons of storage space. Interior cabin is very spacious due to that EV platform. It allowed a very open floor plan, a very spacious cabin space. The designers really wanted to convey a sense of stress-free environment, almost a lounge-like experience. So you will notice there's plenty of space for you to connect with the passengers in the rear seat, you know, being the driver. Very open. You have a center console that actually moves forward and back, so you can adjust it according to your seating position. The dash is very simple, very minimal. The buttons are flush into the instrument panel, so you don't have all those buttons and toggles that you normally see in a regular vehicle. So again, just very intentional design. I think they did a really beautiful job.
Well, can we hop in and actually take a look?
Absolutely. So instantly you can see how open it is. That center console is not attached to the dash, so that leaves a very open space for you. Again, very minimal instrument panel. Everything sits right above that horizontal line on the dash. You have your two 12.3-inch displays, your driver assist screen, and then your touch screen display where you can access all of your maps and your charging stations, all of your information right there with the swipe of a finger.
And you even have a rear view camera mirror.
You have a rear view camera mirror. So all the latest safety technology is going to be incorporated into the Ariya. Of course, our Safety Shield 360 is standard. That's going to give you a suite of 6 different safety features, keeping you safe on the road. Of course, we have incorporated our ProPilot 2.0, so it's a step further than our assist that we have now in our current vehicles. So what that means is that you can actually drive the Ariya hands-free in single-lane highway. You can switch lanes. It will assist you in switching lanes and even assist you in exiting off the highway. So again, all the latest safety technology, connectivity, all packed into one vehicle.
You had mentioned the flush-mounted buttons in here that just kind of glow out of the wood trim. That is a very unique touch. You had mentioned how clean the interior was, and you were not kidding.
Yes.
This is beautiful interior, and this is more of that repeated pattern from the grille?
Yeah, so this is that 3D Kumiko pattern, and we have ambience lighting too, so that adds a nice touch of luxury into the Ariya. just some very intentional details that really make this vehicle special.
Two-person memory seating, very, like she said, very spacious front up here, electronic gear selector. I really like this Qi wireless charger.
Wireless charging
very
pad.
conveniently hidden right underneath the...
So your phone isn't going to slide out and slip under the seat.
Yeah, well thought out interior. Let's move back a row and see just how much room is back in that second row, sitting behind myself. I'd say that this seat's probably a little further back than I would sit, but my knees are not touching. The seat bottom is very comfortable.
Very plush, yeah. And you do have the slim profile zero gravity seats in the front there, so you're going to have a very comfortable ride. USB ports in the back.
Heated seats
as well, air vents.
And I even see the Kamiko pattern repeated here in the cup holders in the back seat.
Yep, absolutely.
Oftentimes manufacturers just kind of relegate back seats to second class.
Yeah, as an afterthought.
Yes, not here. So that's amazing. And then can we look in the back hatch?
Yeah, we have a very spacious cargo area.
Oh yeah, and adjustable underfloor storage.
Yeah, so you have a little bit of storage under here so you can keep your laptop or your purse hidden and no one would ever know. This is our divide and hide system, so it's a nice organization system to have.
Nice. So all in all, a very well thought out vehicle. That is great. So Priscilla, thank you so much for giving us a quick tour of the new Ariya. Very excited to see these on the road. You said you can place deposits now and pricing and availability will be announced later?
Correct. So we do have a reservation program. It's a refundable deposit, but it is set to come out this fall. So stay tuned for dates. You can also check up on nissanusa.com for more updates.
So there you have it, gearheads. If you wouldn't mind, hit the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any coverage here from the Houston Auto Show.